Instant mixed veg pickle. Very tasty, simple, and another way of eating vegetables. Hello everyone, welcome to Pulau's Kitchen. To make mixed veg, here I have cauliflower, carrot, beans, and string beans. I have taken it into similar quantity and cut it into similar size. You can skip any of these vegetables or you can add any other vegetables of your choice. This is a very flexible and versatile mixed veg pickle. Peel the carrot, wash and cut all the vegetables into similar size and put it in the strainer so that all the moisture from the vegetables are out. And now let's prepare our masala. So we are going to prepare a very basic pickle masala which has fenugreek seed, fennel seed and yellow mustard. And I have taken it into equal quantity of around little less than 1 tablespoon. And we are going to dry roast it for around 1 to 1.5 minutes. So heat the pan and on medium flame, just dry roast fennel seed, fenugreek seed and yellow mustard. If you don't have yellow mustard, you can use black mustard as well. So keep on stirring continuously and very soon you will notice the change in the color as well as a very nice aroma coming in. So at that moment you can switch off and get it out of the pan as the pan is hot, so it will keep on cooking. And at no point you should be cooking for more than 2 minutes. Allow it to cool down and dry grind it, and we have our basic pickle masala is ready. And into goes around 1 teaspoon of amchur powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, around half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and good amount of salt. So this is our basic pickle masala which we are going to use it today. There are a couple of other things you can add, but we are just going to prepare this basic mixed veg pickle. Mix everything really well and then we are ready to add into our vegetables. So first we are going to add around 3/4 of it into our vegetables and we are going to add oil. For oil here I am using mustard oil, and mustard oil is the best for pickle, but you can use your own choice of oil. Approximately 2 tablespoons of mustard oil here I am adding, and I am going to give it a good mix, cover and cook it in the microwave for around 4 to 5 minutes. And after 4 to 5 minutes I am going to taste the pickle and add more chili, salt according to my taste bud. So as I mentioned earlier, this is a very flexible recipe, so you can keep it as mild as possible or you can make this pickle as spicy as possible. And at the same time you can add as much oil you want or a little less oil. So here I have cooked it for around 4 minutes, and then I feel that I can add some more spice, so I'm going to add the whole of masala which we prepared, and I'm going to cook it for another 4 to 5 minutes. I hope you like this recipe. This is a very flexible recipe, so you can make it as salty, as spicy, as oily as you can, or you can add very little oil. So do give it a try and please share your feedback with us. And I like to keep the vegetables little bit crunchy. So I have cooked it for around 8 minutes, and as you can see our vegetable is fork tender. It's cooked nicely, at the same time it will have some crunch, and once you are happy with the taste, then you can store it in the fridge in a glass container for at least a week. So here you go, your mixed veg pickle is ready to enjoy, and you can start enjoying it instantly, but it does taste better from second day onwards. I hope you give it a try and do like it if you like this recipe, and subscribe to our channel. We have plenty more similar recipes on our channel. Thank you for watching.